I'm going to share with you a quick tutorial on how I make mashed potatoes in my Instant Pot. Now, I get asked frequently when I tell people I make them in the Instant Pot if it saves time. Honestly, the answer is no, but it makes it easier because I can put my potatoes in the Instant Pot and then I can be away for 4 hours. I can go to Target and do errands. I can go pick up my kids from school and then I come back to cooked potatoes that are ready for me to smash and season whenever I'm ready to get to them. You can't do that with a boiling pot of water. So I'm going to show you how to make the perfect mashed potatoes in an Instant Pot now. I am peeling the skin off of 10 potatoes, which was just over 3 pounds. Once your potatoes are peeled, you need to rinse them off, put them in the inner pot, and cover with water. After the potatoes are cooked, they can stay in your Instant Pot as long as you want. That's my favorite thing about making mashed potatoes in the Instant Pot is I can set my potatoes to pressure cook and come back 4 hours later and resume. I don't have to sit and watch a boiling pot of water. I don't have to make sure my potatoes are taken care of. I could set the Instant Pot and go grocery shopping if I wanted to. I could give my son a bath. I could go play in the backyard. I could do so many things, and while my potatoes are ready, they're gonna be waiting for me, not the other way around. So I'm gonna add in 3/4 cup of 2% milk, a half stick of butter or 4 tablespoons. I'm just gonna do salt and pepper to taste, and just a small teaspoon of onion powder and garlic powder into the potatoes. When you're finally ready to work on the potatoes, you need to strain them and put them back into the Instant Pot. Once they're back in the Instant Pot, this is where the magic happens. You add your milk, your butter, and your seasonings. Now, I did measure for this video, but I'll be honest, I generally do not measure my butter or my milk or my seasonings. I go by feel. If it feels like it's too stiff, I add more milk, I add more butter. As you are finishing your mashed potatoes, don't be afraid to just add in more milk and butter and seasonings. Taste test, have a child taste test. Get it exactly the way you want it. I honestly do not measure my butter and milk, as I mentioned before. I go by taste, and the more you make mashed potatoes, the more you know, more butter is better. My vegetarian is obsessed with mashed potatoes, and if you want to see something else that she loves, my corn and black bean salsa, I started making it just for her to get more protein in her Mexican meals. You can check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, Donna, ciao.